Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to back up your phone contacts to Gmail. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how to easily back up your phone contacts to your Gmail or Google account. First of all, on your phone, go ahead and open Contacts app. And now tap on this menu icon and tap on Manage Contacts. And tap on Export Contacts, and from phone to select internal storage. So first of all, we are going to export our all phone contacts to our internal storage. Tap on Export, and a contacts.vcf file will be exported in your internal storage. Now just tap on OK. Once done, I'm going to opening my files or file manager. Going to download folder, and in download folder here you will find the exported contacts.vcf file. Now we have to import our contacts in Google using this file. So you have to open a browser on your phone and type google.com and tap on your profile photo and make sure to select the Google account in which account you want to back up your contacts. Now tap on this app or widget icon, and here tap on Contacts, and you will directly jump into your Google Contacts page. Now it's time to upload our contacts here. So tap on this menu icon and tap on Import, tap on Select File, and here tap on Media Picker and go to Download folder. And here you will find contact.vcf file. Just select the file and tap on Import. And as you can see, I've successfully imported or back up my all phone contacts in my Gmail or Google account. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.